They said you wouldn't make it so far, and ever since they said it, it's been hard. But never mind the night you had to cry, 'cause you had never let it go inside. You worked too hard and you know exactly what you want and need. So believe, and you can never give up. You can reach your goals. Just talk to your soul and
Bogomir,
Da, je.
zakaj si tako žalosten?
Pa če ne znam drkat.
Pridi, da bom naučila, bova drkala skupaj.
Bi se tudi vi radi naučili drkati? Dobimo se v nedeljo, 29. novembra ob 5. popoldne na drkališču v Kamniku. Drkajmo skupaj.
Drkajmo
skupaj!